Are you looking for the top 5 best circular saws for every DIYer? Everyone thinks the best-selling circular saw is automatically the best one, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. Skill 15-amp circular saw. Let's kick things off with the Skill 15-amp 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Honestly, the first thing that caught my eye was its powerful 15-amp motor. Priced competitively, this saw promises speed and efficiency. If you want consistent cuts with a quick setup, this is worth a serious look. This saw delivers a whopping 5,300 RPM, which means it can slice through wood like butter. Imagine needing to make a quick cut for a project, and this saw speed means you're not wasting any time. Plus, the 51-degree bevel capacity lets you tackle a variety of cuts, whether you're doing a simple straight cut or needing to angle for something more complex. The dust blower feature is a thoughtful touch. It keeps your line of sight clear so you can see exactly where you're cutting. Definitely a game changer while working. Now, some folks have mentioned that it can be a bit heavier than expected, which might be an issue if you're using it for extended periods. But here's the thing. If you're looking for power and speed, that weight brings stability. This saw is perfect for serious DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable tool, but if you're just a casual user or need something more lightweight, it might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend warrior tackling home improvement projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight for simple jobs. For the price, you definitely... Product number 2. Skill 5080-01 13-amp circular saw. Now, if the weight of the Skill 15-amp bothered you, the Skill 5080-01 13-amp circular saw could be a better option. This saw is a bit lighter, making it easier to handle for longer tasks. Plus, it's got a 13-amp motor, which still packs a punch. If you want a balance between power and ease of use, this one's worth a serious look. With a 15% weight reduction compared to its predecessor, you'll definitely feel less fatigue. The 51-degree bevel also gives you solid cut capacity, allowing for versatility in your projects. This saw also features a spindle lock for easy blade changes, which is a must-have when you're in the middle of finishing up a project. Another nice touch is the improved dust blower to keep your cutting line clear, which really helps with visibility. However, some users have reported that the dust blower could be a bit more powerful. I get it, a little more suction would help, but honestly, for most casual projects, it should be sufficient, and the benefits of its lightweight design outweighs this small flaw. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable saw without the extra weight. Skip it if you need something that can tackle super heavy-duty jobs. You're still getting great value for your money with this option. Product number 3. DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for portability. The DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw. The first thing that stands out is its cordless design, which means you can take it anywhere without worrying about outlets. If you want the freedom to move around your workspace, this one is definitely worth a serious look. The 5150 RPM motor is incredibly powerful for a cordless saw, making it perfect for demanding cuts. The magnesium shoe is lightweight yet durable, so you can expect long-lasting accuracy. It even has a 0 to 50-degree bevel capacity, allowing for aggressive cuts if you need them. Plus, the 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade ensures you get clean cuts, whether you're working with 2x materials or more. And did I mention the comfort grip? It really makes a difference in controlling the saw while working. Some users may find the battery life a bit limiting if you're doing extensive work without a backup, but honestly, with the convenience of not being tethered to a cord, it's a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cordless solution that offers high performance. Skip it if you don't want to manage battery life during intensive projects. For portability seekers, this is a great investment. Product number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Circular Saw. Now, if you liked the cordless aspect of our last pick, the DeWalt 20V Max XR brushless circular saw takes it a step further. This saw is all about power and efficiency. Retailing around $199.99, it may seem like a splurge, but if you want the best performance, this one's worth a serious look. With a powerful brushless motor delivering up to 5,500 RPM, it's designed for heavy-duty applications. You can expect up to 368 cuts per charge, which makes it a workhorse for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Plus, it can cut through a variety of materials with a maximum depth of 2 9/16 inches at 90 degrees, which is impressive for a cordless saw. The electric brake feature is also a nice safety touch. It stops the blade quickly, preventing imprecise cuts after you release the trigger. However, some users have mentioned that it's a bit on the heavier side, which might be a concern during prolonged use. But honestly, the added weight comes with that extra power, making it a trade-off that many professionals are willing to deal with. This is perfect for you if you need a powerful cordless saw for demanding jobs. Skip it if you just need something for light home projects. The quality and performance justify.
Product number 5. DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Circular Saw. Finally, let's talk about the DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Circular Saw. If you're looking for a compact option that doesn't skimp on performance, this is definitely worth a look. It's priced reasonably at around $168.50, so you're getting great value for what it offers. The brushless motor allows you to cut up to 369 linear feet of 3/4 inch OSB with a DCB205 battery. That's impressive. The removable auxiliary handle gives you extra control, which is especially useful for those tricky cuts. Plus, it features an electronic blade brake that stops the blade quickly, enhancing safety and productivity. And the bevel gear allows for angled cuts too, making it quite versatile. Some users have noted that the 4 1/2 inch blade limits the size of materials you can cut. But here's the thing, if you're mainly working with smaller projects or materials, this saw more than meets the mark. This is perfect for you if you're a casual user looking for a lightweight yet powerful saw. Skip it if you need to cut larger materials frequently.
So to wrap it up, we've got the Skill 15 amp for power, the lighter Skill 580-01 for ease, DeWalt's 20V Max for portability, the powerful Max XR for heavy-duty jobs, and finally the Atomic for smaller projects. Each saw offers unique benefits, so it really depends on your specific needs. Whatever you choose, I hope this helps you make a more informed decision.